Welcome, fellow animators, to this exciting and comprehensive tutorial on animation and composition. In this tutorial, we will dive deep into the world of Unreal Engine, exploring not only body animation but also the intricacies of animating the face for a truly photorealistic character. Unlike many online tutorials, we are dedicated to providing you with a simple yet complete guide, allowing you to achieve stunning results in less than an hour. Together, we'll unlock the essential tools and techniques that have taken years to acquire, all in one place. Throughout this journey, you'll witness the magic of lighting, as we create a cinematic atmosphere that breathes life into our characters. Discover the power of light and shadows as we craft a mesmerizing scene that captivates and delights. But that's not all. We'll also unleash our creativity by adding our own logo, perfecting our character's eye color, and experimenting with various visual effects. The possibilities are limitless, and the results will leave you in awe. So whether you're a seasoned animator or just starting, join us on this adventure as we unlock the secrets to creating professional quality animation with ease. Let's make your vision come to life, one frame at a time. Are you ready? Let's begin this exhilarating journey of animation and photorealistic magic. See you in part 2.